everybody and welcome to Sports Hour with Ziren. You are listening FM 105.8 Voice of Kashmir, Rawalakot, wherever you are and wherever you are listening us from. I hope everybody is having a great day and will enjoy the sportscast. Normally when it is hot outside, everybody thinks of the weather and rain as a really great blessing for us, because of course it's sometimes a lot of heat comes, and the heat, it is really a really bad problem for us, because Pakistan is a very hot country. Its average temperature is 20 degrees. So put that in contrast, the average temperature of Finland is 9 degrees. So being a hot country, of course, the rains which come from July and August, that really is a big, I can say, a boost for the Pakistani people, because of course it also foretells the coming of autumn, which comes in September. And also the another thing is that the weather cools down drastically and it drops below 30 degrees, and it is always such a great relief from the scorching heat in any part of the country where you are. But this time it has been a little different, because ever since the 60-year history of Pakistan, first time in 60 years there have been so much rains in the whole of Pakistan. 60% of the entire landmass of Pakistan has been affected. To put that into comparison, the whole landmass of Pakistan is 806,000 square kilometers. So over 450,000 square kilometers of land has been affected by the floods. The cities who have got the most damage is basically, first of all, the provinces. Balochistan and Sindh both have had 450 and 400% more rains respectively in this year than normal. Sindh gets 112 millimeters of rain every year, but this time they've got 688, and this is kind of very drastic, because just a few days ago in major Sindhi cities like Nawab Shah and, for example, Larkana, it was touching 50 degrees, and now the temperature has dropped to 25 in those cities where it never even drops even in the winter. Cities like Nawab Shah, all of the roads have been basically, the roads have been just, they have gone underwater, they've been submerged. And a lot of deaths have also happened. In the whole Pakistan, 1,100 deaths have happened because of the flood, and over 30 million acres of land have been affected. Even more, because this study is kind of a little old, about 2 weeks ago. And the floods, they have picked up in intensity across Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan and Sindh, and southern Punjab. These four regions are the most affected in all of Pakistan and have got the most deaths from the floods. For example, in southern Punjab, Dera Ghazi Khan, it has got one of the most worst situations, and Dera Ismail Khan, all the way in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, its airport runaway, it actually got submerged in water. So all the flights have been cancelled. For example, in Quetta, because of floods, 3 days without any light and any internet service. So really it has been a really bad time for Pakistan, especially in Sindh and Balochistan, where normally it is very arid and dry, but this time it has been a lot of bad conditions. So really everybody should try to donate towards the fund that has been issued from the government of Pakistan, because really in Pakistan this has been really bad situation and it has been a very tough time. So you can text triple 999 the word fund, and you can receive 10 rupees which you will donate to the fund that has been given for the flood, because it has been really bad. And really I urge everyone that they should donate to this fund and they should help the people of Pakistan, because really this is a tough time. And of course it is that Chube Kanta jo Kabul mein basically is that whenever anything bad happens, the whole people of Pakistan, they should be united, and they always should come to the call, and they should help fellow Pakistanis. Anyway, moving on to the weather forecast in Rawalakot, it is 26 degrees today. Good weather, normal weather, and it is mostly cloudy. There is little chance of scattered thunderstorms of around 3 p.m. Actually, a huge thunderstorm that is gonna come. In fact, I was coming to the studio, I saw a big cloud outside. I was really dark. So there's gonna be rain a lot. Localized flooding can be occurring in parts of Bagh and Muzaffarabad, because near the river. And again, Azad Watan Road, it is really under a lot of problem because the road has been submerged. So if you are driving anyway, do not drive without any purpose. And if you are driving, drive safely, because this is the last spell of the monsoons until September. So do just drive a little carefully, be safe, be smart, and think fast. From Tuesday to Wednesday, it's gonna be it's gonna be sunny and the weather is not gonna rise at all. It's gonna be the same. 26 will be the highest, 15 will be the lowest. Then it's gonna drop down again on Sunday when there's gonna be a thunderstorm. 24 is gonna be the highest and 15 is gonna be the lowest. About 15 to 20 millimeters of rain is going to be expected in localized areas. But in Rawalpindi, the situation is totally different. It is actually very hot. It is boiling. 34 is the highest and 24 is the lowest. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, the highest will be 36 and 24 will be the lowest. So that is kind of a little different because even Karachi's weather is for now lower than Rawalpindi. One of the main things is because Rawalpindi has low humidity levels. Even its humidity is below 50%. And because of that, there have been a lot of temperature swings and a lot of variation in temperature, which may cause heat, extreme heat in the daytime and extreme cold in the night time. So again, on the day Sunday and Monday, it's going to be 33 degrees, 33 degrees and 23 is going to be the lowest because of the rain. Alright, today in Lahore it is smoke. 31 degrees is the highest. It feels like 40 degrees because of the smoke. And then after that, today is going to be a thunderstorm in Lahore. The rest of the days are going to be hot, humid, 37 being the highest and 26 being the lowest. Today is going to be 32. There's going to be a thunderstorm about 6 p.m., 3 p.m. Anyway, going on to the next city, that is in Sindh, Karachi, which is one of the most known cities. And it is, of course, having a population of 15 million, the largest city in Pakistan, actually now 25 million as of 2020. Anyway, 30 degrees is going to be the highest, 26 is going to be the lowest. Again, it's going to be the same throughout the week. No temperature variations, so no need to tell about what's going to happen. Although, on Tuesday, a few scattered showers might happen. And it's cloudy today in Karachi. Anyway, in Quetta, it's going to be 27 degrees today. Highest is going to be 29. Lowest is going to be 17. It's going to go to 30 on Tuesday and then go back down on Monday. Meanwhile, in Dera Ghazi Khan, it is 36 degrees today, but the highest, that's going to be the highest, but right now it is 28 degrees, and yeah, it is quite clear and it's really nice weather. Anyway,